for the customization, the tailoring products to individual needs. For example, in the jewelry applications, we can go for the customized product or the customized design using the 3D printers. Uh, Few designs cannot be made by the conventional manufacturing process, or else the conventional manufacturing process require a heavy manufacturing cost. So in those areas, 3D printer is going to be a boon for the customers and also for the designers. And the materials or the products that are manufactured using the 3D printing technology, they are cost effective naturally. They reduce the material waste and the production cost becoming lower, and ability to create the intricate designs and geometries, we can go for the 3D printing technology. And nowadays the manufacturing cost for the components are uh, going in a rapid rate or increasing in the rapid pace. So for the on-demand production, for reducing the product life cycle and for reducing the inventory, for reducing the manufacturing cost, we have to go for the sophisticated technology, and 3D printing is going to be one of the thrust areas or one of the thrust technologies that we can use, and we can take the advantages of 3D printing for manufacturing the quality best products. And 3D printing technology, it itself is a newer technology, and this technology is used nowadays for many applications for um, many components manufacturing, and still the innovations are going in the 3D printing technology itself, thereby adding the sophistications towards the research in 3D printing technology, and these are the few innovations that are made available in the 3D printing. So 3D printing has moved from 3D to 4D, and which is subsequently called as 4D printing. So the objects are made in the three dimension, and those objects are made by the materials. Those materials can change its shape or functionality over time and over weather. This can be called as the 4D printing technology that is also made available nowadays. Bioprinting is going to be one of the very important area, that is printing the human tissues and organs for the medical purpose. It is on the research way, and it is gaining momentum nowadays. It attracts more attention from the researchers' point of view. And metal 3D printing is going to be the area which is explored nowadays during the past 3 to 5 years. The advancements in printing metal components have been carried out, and the continuous printing of large scale objects is also possible using the 3D printer. The only thing is we have to increase the specifications of the 3D printer so that we can make it easily accessible for printing the very long or the large components. So what might be the future trends in the 3D printing? Industry 4.0 integration is going to be the key area, where the 3D printing can be used in the smart factories, thereby rendering the sophistication to the manufacturing process. And for the space exploration and aerospace applications, the 3D printing in space for the on-demand manufacturing, that can also be done. Artificial intelligence area, the AI-driven design optimization can be made by the use of the sophisticated softwares in the 3D printers. And sustainable materials, eco-friendly printing materials are also the very important key area to be explored using the 3D printers. And these areas are the very key areas and trust areas where the research is going on nowadays, and will be getting the materials, manufacturing methods, process, uh, which could be reliable, and we can use this 3D printing technology for the manufacture of any kind of component in a rapid pace and in a very large quantity in a seamless method. So this is all about the introduction about the 3D printing technology. We'll see the very important topics under the 3D printing technology in the subsequent video lectures. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.